Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce fitness expenses with MyFitnessPal step by step clearly. Download and install the MyFitnessPal app from your app store. Create a free account to access its features. Set your fitness goals by entering your target weight or health objectives. Use the food diary to log your meals each day. Scan barcodes of packaged foods for easy logging. Explore the extensive database to find and input homemade or restaurant meals. Track your physical activities by logging exercises done during the week. Set reminders to help you consistently log your food and exercise. Use the community section to find tips and encouragement from others. Check the progress report to see how you are doing toward your goals. Consider using the app's premium features if you find them beneficial. Compare the costs of gym memberships and personal training with home workout options. Join free online workout classes or use the app's guided workouts. Plan your meals for the week to save money on groceries. Use discounts or promotions for health-related products through the app. Leverage the app's recipe calculator to create budget-friendly meals. Refer to nutrition labels to make informed choices about food purchases. Evaluate which subscription services align with your budget and fitness needs. Utilize the support and resources within MyFitnessPal to stay motivated without added costs. Track your progress to celebrate small milestones along the way. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.